Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, but when infidelity occurs, it can shatter that foundation. Rebuilding trust after such a betrayal is a challenging journey, but it's not impossible. Today, we'll explore 10 surprising ways to rebuild trust after infidelity, and trust me, number 7 will truly shock you. Let's begin with the first method, complete honesty. This means being open about everything, even the small details. It's not just about confessing the affair, but also about sharing your daily activities and whereabouts. Second, practice patience. Rebuilding trust takes time, and it's essential to understand that healing doesn't happen overnight. Both partners need to be patient with the process and each other. Third, seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide guidance and tools to navigate this difficult period. They can offer an unbiased perspective and help both partners communicate effectively. Fourth, establish new routines together. Creating new positive experiences can help rebuild intimacy and trust. This could be as simple as taking a daily walk together or starting a new hobby as a couple. Fifth, be consistent in your actions. Words are important, but actions speak louder. Consistently showing up and following through on promises is crucial in rebuilding trust. Sixth, practice empathy. Try to understand your partner's feelings and perspective, even if it's difficult. This can help foster understanding and compassion between both parties. Now, for the seventh and most shocking method, consider a temporary separation. While it may seem counterintuitive, a brief period apart can provide space for reflection and personal growth, ultimately strengthening the relationship. Eighth, be transparent with technology. Share passwords and allow open access to phones and social media accounts. This transparency can help ease suspicions and rebuild trust. Ninth, focus on self-improvement. Work on becoming the best version of yourself, not just for your partner, but for your own growth and well-being. Lastly, practice forgiveness. This doesn't mean forgetting what happened, but rather choosing to move forward without harboring resentment. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a challenging process, but with dedication, patience, and these surprising methods, it's possible to create a stronger, more resilient relationship. Remember, healing takes time, and both partners must be committed to the process for it to succeed.